welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mackenzie, and this is Sorority Recruitment 101, the only channel dedicated to answering the questions you may have about what it's like to be in a sorority in college and what it's like to go through sorority recruitment at a big university. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to calm your nerves before recruitment. But before I get into any of that, you guys know the drill. Make sure you subscribe down below and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. I post new videos every single Monday and Friday, answering your questions about sorority recruitment, and also to share about my experience being in a sorority at the University of Alabama. Also, I would love to have you join our Sorority Recruitment 101 family, so make sure you're following us on all of our social media. I'll be sure to link all of our socials in the description box below. Alright, so let's talk about nerves and recruitment, because those two tend to go hand in hand. I remember during my freshman year and my sophomore year, I was so nervous for recruitment, especially on the first day and on the first days of each new round. A lot of you have reached out to me saying that you're nervous about recruitment, but don't worry because you are not alone. Everyone going through recruitment is nervous just because this is a brand new thing that you guys have never experienced before. So you have every right to feel the way you're feeling. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did to help calm my nerves and keep me at ease during recruitment. The best thing I did was that I created a routine for myself. Knowing everything I had to do each morning and the order in which I was going to do it really helped me stay calm. My first tip for you guys is to go to bed early and get plenty of sleep. You don't want to be tired, sluggish, and drowsy in the morning, so make sure you try and get at least 8 hours. This will really help you be alert and ready to go for recruitment. My second tip for you guys is to set an alarm to give you plenty of time to get ready. You do not want to have to wake up and be rushing around just because you'll be stressed and frazzled. And those are two things you definitely do not want to be during recruitment. Some things you can do the night before so it saves you time in the morning is pick out your outfit and accessories and also pack your bag. This will seriously save you so much time and you don't have to worry about forgetting anything. My next tip for you guys is before recruitment, make a playlist of all of your favorite songs. That way you can listen to it while you get ready. For me, music can really change my mood. Before I got to school, I made a playlist of songs that would hype me up. That way I would feel the most confident going into each day of recruitment. And it doesn't hurt to have a little dance party before you head to sorority row. My next tip for you guys is to make sure you eat breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you need that energy to keep you going through the morning of recruitment. You don't want to be lightheaded and tired, just because you really need to be alert and focused on your conversations and everything that's going on. For me, it's always been really hard to eat breakfast right when I wake up, so I would either have something that was really light, like a banana or some cereal, or I would pack some granola bars to eat on my way to sorority row. Also, if you have coffee or tea in the morning, make sure you set aside some time for that as well. My final tip is please don't put a lot of pressure on yourself. Recruitment is supposed to be fun, and you will end up where you're supposed to be, so don't stress. If you're still a little bit nervous before you leave, you can do something called a power pose. An example of a power pose is standing with your feet apart, hands on your hips, chest out for 1 minute. I know it's a little cheesy and it sounds weird to stand there for a full minute, but it actually does build your confidence. I don't understand how it brings out confidence, but if you're still a little bit nervous, try doing a power pose before you leave. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video, giving you tips on how to calm your nerves during recruitment. I know it can be a little bit scary, but just make sure you stick to your routine and you get plenty of sleep. As always, you guys, make sure you subscribe down below and comment or DM me some topics that you want me to make a video about next. I'm wishing you the best of luck during recruitment. I know you guys are gonna do great, and I can't wait to see where you all end up. You know I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.